Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable analytics events in Firebase for iOS app step by step clearly. Open your Xcode project for your iOS app. Locate the app.delegate.swift file in your project. Import Firebase by adding Import Firebase at the top of the file if it's not already there. In the application _did finish launching with options method, ensure that Firebase is configured by calling Firebase app.configure. Next, navigate to your info.plist file. Add a new key called Firebase _analytics collection enabled. Set the type of this key to Boolean. Change its value to NO to disable analytics events. Save your changes to the info.plist file. Open your terminal and navigate to your project directory. Run pod install if you are using CocoaPods to manage your Firebase dependencies. Once that's complete, return to Xcode. Build and run your app on a simulator or physical device. Monitor the console for any messages related to Firebase analytics. You should notice that no analytics events are being tracked anymore. This effectively disables all analytics collection for your iOS app. If you want to re-enable analytics in the future, simply set the Firebase _analytics collection enabled value back to yes. Verify the functionality to ensure analytics is completely disabled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.